How is it going? I'm back. I just took a single day break. So you can see I have improved because last stream was 2 days ago and the stream before that was like 50 days ago. So that's quite some improvement, I will say. And Spotify. Oh, this thing is, I don't know. I don't think this have copyright, right?
Get it again, beast.
I was thinking that I should probably listen to this when I will do exercise because I have not exercised since. I mean, I have done like very light stuff. Like I might run for a few hundred meters or I might just shadow box for a minute. So yeah, I have like literally done nothing since quite a few weeks. I guess since 45 days as well. So I might do some exercise and listen to David Goggins. Wait.
Get it, come on.
Sorry, the guy who is, the person who makes sure that the dumbbell doesn't fall on you. The spotter, yeah, the spotter, his spotter. Anyways, let me find my stream so I can actually read the comments because not sure, man. That will holy shit. There is another Krazy dev and he have 2,000 subscribers. God damn, I searched for my name and I don't even show up. Oh, I mean, I show up at the second spot, but I can probably improve that, right? Anyways, we have one viewer already. I wonder if that's me or someone else, but hello anyone and everyone. Now, today's goal is I'll need to think about that. Hashtag me. So today's goal is to actually try GitHub OAuth stuff, right? So I'm very glad that it was almost died for a moment. Anyways, let's start new window. Control W, close that. Get here. All right, looks pretty nice. So first of all, I need to set up a new folder, which will be like obviously white React stuff. And then I will make a simple backend using Fastify. Should I use Go? Nah, I don't feel that confident. I mean, I can use Go, but it will be faster if I will use TypeScript. Should I use TypeScript? Yeah, I'll use TypeScript. I'll use JavaScript. I'll use TypeScript. You know what? Actually, guys, I will probably do this instead. Socials. Oh yeah, I was preparing for my college, so I have like a list of stuff. So I will need like vest, t-shirt, jeans, and shoes, goddamn slippers, bed sheet, and like mobile and laptop and whatnot. But anyways, let's go to the thing which I am supposed to do. I forgot. What was I here for? Using someone, click solution. No, I was not here for that. Holy shit, dude. GRD Ayush. Oh, you finally remembered your password. Well, I remembered it 2 days ago, so yeah. And I totally forgot what I was trying to do. Oh yeah, I remember it now. So if I go back to projects, learn web dev. So I saw this beautiful video quite a few days ago. Sorry, quite a few months or maybe weeks ago. So what this guy stop, man. So what this guy did was if he used something nice. Who cares? I'll just do something simple which I can do. I'll worry about nice stuff later on. But for now, I will make a to-do list for the stream. Or you know what? I will not make no to-do list. I will just start working. Stop being lazy, humans. I mean, me, myself. Let's go to projects. No, let's go to personal. Make directory db host. Let's cd to db host. Then what do I do? So we need to do npm create white, and let's see what are the questions. So do we want to, you know what, can I do white? I can, right? What the fuck did it started? Anyways, white create. Can I do white create? No, I can't. So I need to do npm create white latest. Why is this thing not installed? Like why do I have to install this package every time? Can I wait a second? Can I type create dash white dash create? Yeah. All right. God damn it. Oh, I didn't need to install it this time. And I have a call. Just a moment. Absolutely, absolutely. All right, I'm back. So, yeah, we were doing a white create latest. Damn, that call was for a minute. Wow. So I'm gonna call it like front. That's the best I can think. It will be obviously. What is Preact? I have never heard about Preact. Okay, so it's thin, I guess. What? Preact versus React. I mean, I'm not like using it, so okay. I'll be using TypeScript, yes, sir. And one more thing that I need to do is, I guess I just do cd front npm I code dot enter. Wait, I should have done code space dot. My bad. And let's see what else. So we have a front end code ready. Now we need a backend server. Ooh, I will need to stop as soon as npmi is done. I don't necessarily want to open that. So awesome. So we do cd dot slash, we make a directory call back, and then we do code dot. Amazing. So now we have quite a few folders. I'll delete them. Delete that. Delete this. Can you guys please delete? All right. So the front end is good. I can do cd front end. Why did I just call it front? I'll call it front end. I really wish there were three people whom I could take an opinion from, but all right. I'll call it front end. Why do I worry about something as dumb as that? I don't know. I see the logo is improved now. We have a better logo now. So that means I should have done front end. My Alrighty, cd front end. Then we cd to back end as well. Cd back end. What else? We have to set up Tailwind, obviously. I can't believe it. I didn't trust that Tailwind will be nice, but I guess I was wrong. By the way, dude, let me just set it up first and then I'll show you guys my next problem. By the way, let me just set up my mic in a different position and my mobile phone and my laptop and then myself so that I'm not on a chair and stuff, so or maybe I'm just lazy. Who cares? Let's do white. So I have made the project. I run this beautiful command, then I run this beautiful command, and then we have to do this. Okay, that's nice. Let's copy that. No questions asked, it worked. Front end, Tailwind config. This is the new content. Then we have to add this in index.css. I will need to find index.css. Obviously, I don't know where that is. I will also install shared CN while we are at it. Do I need to keep any of this? Maybe, I don't care. Then we can just run it. But before that, I'm actually thinking to make a template out of this. So shared cn. I should just go to slash installation for white npm create white latest. I did the tailwind part. Then what the hell is that? Compiler options. And we have a call again. Absolutely. 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 Yes. Okay, okay, okay. That's absolutely true. Hmm. Yes, brother. The later one. Yes. Not at all. Hmm. Ha. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It's discount account. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Yo, boy, what is up? Just chilling and coding and doing a call. All right, I'm back. So I got stuck on a call again. My apologies, everybody. Please don't execute me. So, yo, boy, R, what is up? And I probably missed your message. My apologies. And what a coincidence. GRD Ayush messaged on 41 of a minute, and so did you. Very interesting. But now, let's get active and let's get back to work. So I was able to set up shared CN, and I was able to set up Tailwind. Let me think, what else do I possibly need? I will like to have I have some utility functions which I will like to have. First of all, I have library, beautiful. I have components, very beautiful. I will like to see app.css and I'm gonna delete the file, god damn it. Then app.tsx is a mess. Let me fix that real quick. Let me just open my random old project source app.tsx, copy the damn thing, paste the damn thing, and let me just remove all of the bullshit. Header footer, that's all right. Don't need a div around it. Don't need a background, don't need a theme. Remove that, don't need this. Do I need that? User auth, use fetch backend, ref. I mean, it can be useful actually, but I don't know. I guess I'll remove it for now because I can always upgrade my template, right? I don't necessarily need to do everything all at once. Remove that, remove that. Now we need to install more npm packages because I don't have those. So I will install React Router DOM. How do I do that? React Router DOM. We don't need that. Now we don't have a index.tsx here. That's my bad. And we don't have a pages yet, pages slash index.tsx. And now we have that. Then we need to make a file for storing my home, export function home, and I'm just gonna say something nice and beautiful like h1. You know what, let's give it some classes as well. Think about some classes, humans. Maybe, wait a second. First of all, do we have IntelliSense? Why? You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? I'm gonna set it up right now. YVSC Tailwind. Class names aren't coming up. What the hell, dude? What's wrong? What is up, man? It's a simple fix. Open your settings.json and add this. Okay. I don't know where the fuck I have settings.json. I will probably just, I don't know. How to open settings.json in, what was it? Visual Studio Code. I'm kind of a noob, so Control Shift P. Oh, really? God damn. Oh, with preference. Okay. Preference settings. I don't see any JSON, but interesting. Okay, you know what? How to reset Tailwind. What is it? What is this thing called? Extension settings. What's wrong with me? I don't remember any words today. This thing, that thing. Interesting. Let's go to Intellis extensions and look for Tailwind. My shoulder hurts. God damn. Tailwind color palette generator. What the hell is that? Whoa! But I'm not gonna have that. Who cares? The snippets. I don't really want that. Documentation. Why do we have documentation for this? Hell no, dude. I mean, it can be useful, but nope. Nope. Oh, maybe I was on pre-release and that was causing the issue. That's very, very possible, I will say. Oh, I think I probably found the issue, man. God damn. Well, let's test it to verify. So that doesn't work. God damn it. You know what? Let's uninstall the damn thing, restart the extension, close the Visual Studio Code, and reopen it. And oh, I just realized I forgot to put the URL. No, dude, what the hell? I forgot to put the URL on Discord. My bad. Hashtag announcements? I'm not sure. Where should I do it? I'll do hashtag followed at the rate social media update, paste, enter, and get back to work. Let me try to set up it. Oh shit, I'm supposed to learn Github OAuth. What the hell? I will reach there. Just wait for a bit. Anyways, let's get back to setting stuff up. Visual Studio Code is on, and my dog is screaming. And the docs still don't work. Holy shit. Why the hell we are doing? Why do we have this? We don't have anything like dot pages. I will remove all three of these things because we just have a source folder and we have everything inside. So what's up, man? Right. Wait a second. I have a bad feeling about this. When I was doing Tailwind installation, there it is. I will choose white once more. I want to see something, all right. So framework, we have white. What were the suggestions again? Yeah, that was it. Why are these guys playing with my suggestions? God damn. All right, let's get back to work. Still doesn't work. Why? Tailwind, why? To fix this issue, try using control space. That's what I'm doing. That doesn't work. Control Shift P, search out, output, focus on output view. Okay. Out. What was it again? Control Shift P, output, focus on output view. Oh, oh. That's interesting. I don't even see Tailwind anywhere there. What the hell? Oh, I actually installed the extension. I forgot to reinstall it. My apologies. Please don't bully me. Okay, install. And hopefully it will work without doing anything else. Let's see. Not yet. Tailwind CSS intelligence. Okay, let's see. So locating the server, booting up, searching, blah blah blah, separator, blah blah blah, bullshit, transpile, blah blah blah, pre-watching, adding watch patterns, amazing, initializing, supported features. Okay, that's a lot of features. And then loaded tailwind, blah 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 blah, building, initializing a project, unhandled rejection, syntax error, invalid regular expression, nothing to repeat. So pretty much I messed it up. God damn. Let's search for tailwind, CSS, search. So I'm assuming you have a problem with this. Okay, I'll remove it. Backup and sync settings. I'm not signing in. God damn it. Can I restart my folder or something? Sure. How do I restart? Oh, I opened the wrong folder. What's wrong with me? Local disk E. Personal DB host. Select the folder. Let's see if we still have that issue. And if we do, then... Well, I should have thought about it. What's wrong with me? I should have just looked there. Okay. Tailwind CSS intelligence. It's locating the server. Amazing. It is still locating it. I guess it's a bit far away. I'll wait for it. Let's open a file. It's booting it up. Amazing. And it's building. And regex must have exactly one capture group. Oh, it's working. Yes. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's try class name TWO is equals to. Hmm, I don't care. Anyways, I'm glad that the thingies work again. So I just needed to remove that and it worked. Awesome. Awesome, everybody. What should I do? Anyways, we were doing font LG, sorry, it's text to Excel, and then we can give it like some dark. Okay, when we are in light mode, we give it dark color. So I'll do text black, or should I use gray? Black is fine. And then, do we need anything else? I don't think so. For dark mode, we can give text gray 100, and that's most. You know what? Should I try zinc? Nah, that's all right. So let's go to terminal. Why do I have codes? What does that do? Who cares? CD front end npm run dev, and we wait for it. We wait for it. O enter, and let's see. I don't see anything. Oh, I know why. Let's get home exported. Export the home. Let's look at it. I still don't see it. That's not a good sign, everybody. Let's see what are we missing. So we go to personal, we go to Krazy SS, we go to the front source main, and I'll just copy paste it. Bang. Do I need to remove anything? Probably not. Reload. What is that? I probably know what's the issue. Yeah. Yep. So we don't have a footer or a what is it? Header yet. That's awesome. Header slash index.tsx. Go to home, copy that, paste that. And you know what? I actually don't have any text here, so that also makes sense. Hello world. And in the header, I'll just return like nothing. Let me copy paste that. Copy the header folder, paste it in components, rename it to something like footer. What do you mean something like? Okay, let's paste that. Go to index, and I'm gonna export. Oh shit, both of those. Control D export, and let's see how it works now. Well, it works a bit. The tailwind didn't work. It's so awesome, dude. My tailwind used to work. It used to show the changes and whatnot. Wait. Oh, actually, I never bold. It's working. Everybody, false alarm. False alarm. Awesome. So now we need some default fonts as well, which I will use in my projects. Now, as a noob, I have no idea what will be a good font, right? Let's think about it. Whom should I ask about fonts? And the issue is I probably shouldn't because I do ask about font suggestions and then I just reject them. Like I mean something is wrong. What's up? Let me think. What is the I remember like font dash inter. Okay, it doesn't exist. That's crazy. Font sense. Okay, that's what we are. Serif. Ooh, that's bad. That's bad. Okay, let me think. What will be a nice font, everybody? What will be a nice font? Maybe I should. It's not like I have a library of fonts in my mind. I should just look at a actual library. My apologies. So Poppins seems like a good idea to me, but people shit on it for some reason. I mean, it seems pretty good to me. Why do people hate Poppins? What's wrong with them? Oh, why does everybody love it? Wait, I think we are on the wrong track. What the hell? My apologies. Um, what is the personality? What the fuck? Fonts have a personality as well. Huh. Okay, let's see. Reddit should help us out. I will need to try it out. Let's click here. Okay. Okay. As far as accessibility standards go, Poppin does not appear to be a good font for a long read. For example, I have a single studio which is missing for O. Okay, I'm not sure. What? That website is dead. Oh, it isn't. Poppins by Indian Type Foundry. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I will say that I like regular italic and semi-bold italic for titles, but let's see. So we have characters, awesome. We have words, awesome. We have headlines. This looks like a nice headline, 500 weight. I mean, 900 is good as well, but no. We have some paragraphs, alternative glyph forms, special characters. Ooh, wow, this website is amazing. Hamburger, wait. So this is actual Poppins, and then we have Archivo, which seems okay. Copper something, and Jost. All right. Let's read more Reddit. Okay, you know what? Fonts for websites, Reddit. I am going to make a nice template for me. So I'm just okay. So I don't even need to go anywhere. I should just use Roboto. I've seen this one, I think. I'm not a big fan of it if I remember it right. And why is this one considered good? I mean, let me just show both of you. They seem kind of similar to me. Is there any difference? So let's see. The W is like this. Let's control plus. So we only see the W. W. I mean, this is a bit rounded in Roboto. Yeah. The Poppins font is actually a bit more, what is it? Striky, a bit more like if you have a rock in Poppins font, that is more likely to scratch you or cut you, whereas the Roboto, it won't do that unless of course it crushes you. What the fuck am I talking about? Anyways, Roboto seems nice, I will say. Roboto is actually nice. Why the hell? I was shitting on this one, okay. And then we have Monster something, which I actually never saw before. I mean, I might have seen it, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Okay, so this one is a bit too thin for me. And a bit too wide, I guess. I will assume the titles look good, probably. Yeah, the title seems nice, actually. Let's see. Then we have others. Awesome. So Poppins is there. Inter is there as well. Okay. I've never seen this one. SANS. I wonder what this one does. Seems pretty nice. I don't know what. I don't like using one font everywhere. Dude, you are smart, but I'm not smart enough. Anyways, let's see what is this one. Proxima font. Adobe. Nope. I don't want to get sued or something. As much as like this, it is overused. Why do I always read it as monster rat? I mean, that seems like a good interpretation of the word. Monster rat. That's close. That's very close. I mean, it is a great font, but the question is, what clothes do you think looks best on a person? Phew, god damn. System font. Haha, that's interesting. I like Lato. Anything but railway. Arial. Hmm. I don't know that much English, dude. This is what is a new. I don't know, man. Let's see. Which a clean and legible design they put for small font size. Okay, so Inter and Roboto for small font size. Poppins and this guy are a bit quirky and they are good for large fonts. Firasans, I don't care. Okay, so, let me think. Let me think. We have fonts, right, humans? Hear me out. So we have fonts. Let me think. So we have like small fonts. First one will be Inter. Second one will be I actually forgot. Let's see. Roboto. Okay, Roboto. I'll put Roboto first. And let's put that in the next line. Then we have big fonts. So we have Poppins, and obviously we have a couple more. This guy. And what else do we have? We have Firasans, I guess. Let me write that out. Firasans is a humanist sincere with a strong personality. Oh, Firasans is actually good for everything. That's good to know. So let's see. This is a Montserrat guy. And then we have Roboto, which is quite nice. We have Poppins. I guess I personally prefer Poppins over this guy. Interesting choices, man. Interesting choices. You know what? I'll install all four of these. And we will have a fifth one. The all-rounder. And that will be the Firasans. So I guess I can get all five of these fonts installed. Who cares? Who cares? Not me. Humans, let me install them real quick. Type tester. I don't care about that. How do I import it? How do I import that? How do I import that? View selected families. I have Poppins selected. Let's get the font. Copy that. Paste that. Remove that. Okay. Ooh, we have some utility classes as well, which I'm not gonna use, of course. You know what? You know what? You know what? Let me click on get font. And let me get font that. So now we have, I don't know, we have the monster, the Roboto and Poppins. We don't have Inter and Pirasans. So let's get them. Inter, get in, Pirasans. Get that. Oh, this does look interesting. It does have a interesting thingy, right? Let's get it. So now we will get embed code. Ooh, I can put that in my head. That's nice. Then I don't even need to do that anymore. Wow. I might need to ask someone smart if that's okay to do or not. What is that? Okay. Index.html. Where is that? How do I find it? Is in public? No, it isn't. There it is. So in the head, we will say like thingy. Hello, that will be nice. Then we have a beautiful font thing. So we have pre-connect. Let me just Google if it's all right. I will be asking Google if it's all right to add Google script in my code. Wait, it's a script. I'm not sure. What does this do? Let me ask my guy Codium. What does this do? The link tag pre-connects a connection to an external resource before the browser needs to fetch it. Oh, that's super nice. So should I pre-connect to my backend API? It's a Node.js server. Mm-hmm. Do I need to add some codes on my backend to handle this pre-connect? I mean, why do people not do it? I mean, they probably do. I just don't know about it. Oh, S- who the? Oh, I know where to ask. Uh, 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 that's where I can ask. Yo, today I was adding like fonts from Google to my code, to my React code, and I saw that I have this thingy. That's that, and the AI says it is some. Let me just copy paste what it says. So should I pre-connect to my backend server using that link tag too? Then I guess my backend will be faster to fetch. All right, looking forward to a beautiful response. Wait, why is Yak PDB Theo? And damn, they still have interesting statuses. Nice. Nice. Anyways, let's get back to fonts. So we have all of that, blah, blah, blah. I don't care about that. Now we need to set up, sorry. Now we need to extend some stuff. Let's find a Tailwind config. We are already extending a lot of things. We have a primary color and a secondary color. HSL primary. Let's go to index.css. Source index.css. What is this color? It's an RGB, I guess. Okay, let's do like RGB paste. How does that look? Doesn't look like nothing. What does that do? Who cares? Anyways, we were extending the border radius keyframe animation. Nope, not doing any of that. But what we are extending is extend fonts. This AI is replacing me already. Okay, so we have Fira Sans. Okay. And I will need to ask my guy AI one more thing. Why this instead of this or this? Let's see. The line Fira is defining a CSS font family rule that it should use Fira Sans that have the class Fira. The second valuation serif is a generic font family. Oh, so that's just a fallback. My apologies. I didn't knew that fallbacks exist. Okay. Oh my god. OAuth. Yes, Mr. Grave. I am going to try GitHub OAuth, but right now I'm setting up my basic template, which I can just copy paste later on. Because it really sucks to set up Tailwind, Shadcn, goddamn fonts every time I start a new project. That sucks. So I'm just gonna do that. And while we are here, Can you help me out, dude? I installed like 5 fonts just now. I mean, I didn't install them, but let me just show you my list. Where is my index.css? Let me find my index.css, dude. There it is. So I have two small fonts, Roboto and Inter, two big fonts, Poppins and the Monster something, and I have an all-rounder called Fira Sense. Is that good or are these bad? I mean, like, do you use fonts? I mean, you are a backend developer if I'm not wrong, so you probably don't use fonts. But do you have any preference? Do you? Tell me, Grave. Don't take these amazing ideas in with what the fuck? I forgot English. All right, let me think. Anyways, meanwhile, let me continue the work. So the font importing is done. We can close that, and thank you very much, Justin Panner, for helping me out with the fonts. I don't want to log in, otherwise I would have thanked you there as well. So let's see, what do we have? We don't need assets. Who need assets? Not me. We have basic components ready. We have a utility file. We have pages. Amazing. We have an index.tsx. That's even better. And new times Roman. Okay. That's a OG choice, I guess. Let's check it out. New times. Wait. Is that a Easter egg that everything is in Times Roman now? Isn't it? Well, we found a Google Easter egg. That's new. Let me check it out on Google Font. Just a moment. Wait. Anyways, I'll just close it. Okay, so we have hello world. Amazing. Now, so we have a basic template to do routing, simple folders. Now we need a hooks folder. Let me make that real quick. Hooks. And let me copy my hooks. So we have personal, we go to Krazy SS. Let's go to actually button bot front end, source, library. What do I have in library? Nothing much. Then I'll go to front end once more, go to source. We have hooks. So we have auto scroll. I don't need that. I will take both of these and I'll go back to my DB host. Wait a second, I have a folder called DB hosting. That's odd. I'll delete it. And please don't bother me. DB hosting. Wait. Front end, source, hooks, paste. Amazing. And let me just take a quick look and make sure that. Should I put the hooks folder inside library? Yeah, why not? Components, pages, and maybe I will make a folder called UI and put the components inside. Oh, why the hell I'm making that many folders? I don't know, dude. It just looks cool. Is that a good idea? Probably not, but that's all right. And Visual Studio Code is stuck. Amazing. I guess it was a mistake. Let me close Visual Studio Code, close the window, Let's open the folder again. And hopefully the things will be moved. If they are not, then I will just not move them. So they are not. Let's delete the UI folder, go to pages, we have index, blah, blah, blah. What the hell was I doing? I was doing times Roman, blah, blah, doesn't matter. So I was actually looking at the hooks folder. Hooks. There they are. Oh, sorry, there they are. So first of all, we have use fetch backend. We need a React cookie module. Let me think about that. Do I need the React cookie module? I might. You know what? Let's remove that. We definitely need to know a base, I guess. So let's go to source base.tsx, export const, export default. Then if it's import.meta.n.dev mode, then we give this, else we give that, whatever. Then what's wrong with this guy? I guess we need another dollar slash, or I can just do @ base. That's super good. That's super good, everybody. Now we remove that. Interesting. I guess we remove that. I guess I removed that as well. I don't know. Cookie. Let's see. We have base and route. Why don't I just do base plus route and remove all of that? So now we have data and is loading. So we have data is loading. Then I can give set data. By chance, if that guy wants to set data. And what else do I need? Let me think. T comma boolean. So what's the type of this guy? That's the type. Boolean question mark. All right. I never imported React, so I'm not sure how it is auto importing that. Let me just import it. Okay. Amazing. Now we have functions, blah, 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 blah. Seems pretty good. Let's go here, paste, blah, blah, blah. So we have route, we have a default value. We don't need cookie anymore. We have body and method. We don't care about cookie anymore. Just like I said, we don't care about the goddamn cookies. Headers. Oh, what the hell? Okay. So this seems good now. Use fetch backend promise. You know what? I'll just remove you. Fetch, because this is not necessarily a hook, so I don't need a use behind it, and I'll just put it inside utils if I want. Should I? Maybe I'll make a folder called utility. I'll throw this inside. I'm gonna rename that to like index. I'm gonna throw this guy inside utility, and we have no problems. So we have the hooks ready, we have the pages ready. So pretty much we have everything good to go. Let's npm run dev. And by the way, can anyone verify if the it's on different subdomain. By the way, what's the problem? cd front end npm run dev. Well, that cat looks good actually. Is that AI generated? Probably not. I don't know. Anyways, let's do O enter and look at the beautiful site. Looks awesome. So what else I might want to set up? Not sure. I will like some colors actually. Primary and secondary. Let's go. You know what? Let's stop bothering with colors. Let's think beyond colors. I'm bullshitting, guys. I think this is it. This is a good template. And let me just make a new GitHub repo real quick. GitHub/new. I will call it white React template. Then I can just git clone it. I'll make it private until I think it's good enough. Create the repositories. Wow, man, I'm wonderful. I'm awesome, dude. Anyways, what is next? Not sure. I'm done. Okay, so let's do git let's do git init, git remote add, what is it, template, and paste the URL. Git add dot, you know what, git add dash a git commit dash m, and I'm gonna say base git push template master. And now I will like to make a new repository. Should I do that? Not sure. I will need to think for a bit. Or I can just do Control O and I can delete the .git folder so that I don't get any of the yeah, I just don't want to bother with the template thing anymore. I'm gonna click on code. I clicked on the wrong thing. Let's click there. And then I'm gonna do git clone this // white react template. Awesome. Wow, that worked. So now, my nice human friends, let's think. So we have everything. Now let's start setting up GitHub. But I also need a simple backend server. Ooh, let's do that actually. So let's cd to backend. Oh shit, cd to backend. And then I need to do npm init. Let's answer some questions. It's been a while. Backend, yeah. Version 0.0.1. Description, backend server, entry point. It's going to be TypeScript. So I will do this/index.js test command, like nodemon space dot space source/index.js, I guess. Git repository, nope. Keyword, nope. Author Shisui Sama. License, I don't know, man. I don't know much about licenses so far. I will install Fastify @Fastify/course. I will install Mongoose because I most likely use that. What else can I need? I can need MS Prettyfy. I can need create random ID. But they're kind of options, so I'll skip on them. Let's get these two first, Fastify and MongoDB. So we have a simple backend API and we have a database connection. That's good. That's good progress. So in the backend, we make .n, we need the mongo_URI, we need secret, we need another secret. All right, now let's start making some files. Source/index.ts. Actually, I will like to set up socket.io as well here. That will be interesting. npm socket.io, socket.io. Come on, where is it? Hey yo, socket.io. All right, humans. Okay. So we should have it right there. All right. Let's start some programming. I will install socket.io. Okay, so we have socket, we have Fastify, we have MongoDB. Nice. Then we start importing Fastify from Fastify. Then we like to get course. Fastify course. And let's see what AI thinks I should do next. Fetch backend. Why do you want that function? I am shocked. Const server. Yeah, okay, that's progress. That's more progress. And we are exporting the server. Do we really need to export the server? I don't think so. Why? No, 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 no. Hey AI, why did you export the server above? What's wrong with you, AI? let okay, that's bad. Let's ask the AI here. Control enter. We export the here. What the hell is this guy talking about? No, we don't do that. Now I think we should also do server.listen to like port process.end.port, and default is going to be, let's think of a good number. Yep, that's good. And then we need to worry about host. What's your problem, dude? Come on, there's no way that it's not going to work. Fastify. Okay, a string or number is not I guess my apologies. Is that all? God damn it. Okay, is that fine? I hope it is. So now we are listening to the server. Wow. Now I need to set up freaking socket IO. So we have to do this. Okay. Import fastify socket from. Oh, I have to install this npm package instead. I'll do that. And then we just register the beautiful thing. I'll do it right here. And what is next? Wait, do I need to run this function? Origin? Nah, I guess I don't. Interesting. I will actually look at the Fastify post documentation as well, just to be safe. Okay, so we can listen to the server, blah blah blah. Actually, guys, let me change my pillow and position and stuff so I can feel a bit more comfortable. Okay, so we have Fastify socket. Let me change that right there. Okay, so when the socket is connected, we can start doing our stuff. Server dot io dot on connection. Listen. Actually, I know what to do. I will need to open the GitHub repo and I will need to go to the pull request, go to the closed, open that. And what was I doing? App.ready. So when the app is ready, then I will say backend API started, listening, and then I will like to do server. See, even this guy knows it. Holy shit, this guy knows it. What? Ooh, how do I do the TypeScript? How do I tell TypeScript that it exists? That's a good question. I was assuming that Fastify socket will do it somehow. Let's look at the beautiful code. So we have Fastify socket IO. Oh, it's just, let me open index.js. So are we doing .io is equals to? Where are we binding it? We should be doing it somewhere. Let's look at that. Weird. Super weird. Index.js. Fastify. Okay, let me just look at the beautiful code online. npmi fastify socket IO. Is that the one I installed? Yeah, that's the one. So fastify.register. and I can put options there, and then I can justify the IO emit. So what about some typings? The IO decorator is not typed. This is necessary to allow eventually the developer to be able to define custom types and make things so that. And I can see some examples here. Okay. TypeScript example, server.ts. So we do fastify, socket IO server, and then I register. And then what? I do app.get. Oh, this guy is also doing that. And the socket is any. And then is that's what I needed. Thank you very much. So where are you getting the server from? From socket.io. Alrighty. Alrighty. Awesome. And what the hell do you mean by hello? Let me see. Server.io. What are you asking? Oh, it's the event. Oh. So I can define like my events. Oh, that's amazing. And what if I do hello X? Let's go to type definition of that thing. So on reserved events, blah, 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 okay, weird. For now I'll just remove that, and that works. Okay. So when we have a new connection, we have a new connection. Okay, we have socket dot connections. And socket is what? The default thingy. Okay. I mean, I guess I'll just keep it at that. Or I'll just remove that as well. Okay. What should we do next? So now I need to make some folders, I guess. Let's think. How do I do that? So then we can make a folder called routes. And we can make a folder called sockets. And then we can have like index.ts in both of them. Copy that, paste that. So in the routes, I need to somehow read each and every possible thingy. Uh, 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 uh. Let's see. Let's see. So first route can be, let's say, a sample.ts, and I can do like export default. We can have some stuff here. Like let's say route will be /API/sample. I don't care about method actually. And I'll just create a router as opposed to a new router. And how are we getting, how do we actually make that? I totally forgot how Fastify works, to be honest with you. I will need to look at some code. It's been long since I've done that, alright. Back, source, routes, static, features. I am not sure what kind of language is that. Let me think. What the hell am I using there? Routes.set route, handler. And just a moment, everybody. All right, I'm back once more. So let's get back to working. So this is quite weird. I was actually imagining a express-like situation. Routers. This is dumb. What kind of language am I using here, dude? What is this? I'm actually using routes. What is routes? What is all of this? Am I actually see? I was like, what the hell is fast if I don't? I was using bun.sub. I was scared, dude. I was scared, right? That's weird. Let's see. Button bot. No. Animation, no. Even check, no. Okay, I guess none of them are Fastify. Then I can go to attention from now, birth invite, INVE backend. Yeah, that's very possible. Router version 1 channel. That does look a bit like what I'm expecting to do. We have router shit and next. So let's go to utility and index.js. Sorry, my apologies. Handler.js. Yeah. Okay, that's some interesting code. Let's copy that. We go to index, we put it here. We go back, we go to some sample router, like for example, this one. We copy that, Control K W, go to sample, we paste that. We don't really care about all of that, so we empty all of that. Awesome. Now we go to index. Instead of all of that, we just do export default. So now we do import read directory sync from fs. Now obviously npm I dash d at the rate type slash node, so that I don't have to worry about that dumb thing. And here I'll do import, and I'm assuming it is a promise. I probably need a wait, right? Interesting. So can I get some suggestions for fs? Okay, let me ask my guy Google. TS. I think I did that. I'm pretty sure I did that just now. See? Whew. Let's try running this. Okay, probably no. Okay. Weird. Module resolution. Okay. Oh, I actually don't. Oh, I never initted it. My apologies. I'm a new guy in TypeScript, alright? Dash dash init. Okay. Let's go, everybody. Read directory sync is there. Shit is underscore. App will be like, I'm not sure. Let's see. So when we do server.register, we have app, and the type of app is what? The type of app is this. I will copy all of that, and you know what? I'll make a thing called interfaces.ts, and I'll like export function fastify plugin, where we have app as that, and I like import goddamn all of this. This is a pain. Anything else? So, what's your problem, dude? Export type Fastify plugin. So next is thingy. Okay. And then we have underscore, which is oh, they are the options. Okay. I never knew that actually because I never made something significant enough to have options. Now TS, how to make function types. Okay, type fast plugin is equals to that. And it responds back void, I guess. So we have Fastify plugin, and we are gonna do this as a Fastify export type. Can't I import it from interfaces? Import from /interfaces tab and boom. Can I do this? What's the problem? I mean, can I do this? Oh, export default a function as this. I'm not sure how this works. Interesting, everybody. We are stuck. Interesting, interesting. How do I use Fastify plugin here? Like a tool. How to show? Oh, I can just ask Podium. How to tell TS that this default function is a Fastify plugin function? Let's see. What's what's the point? Do it here. Show that tell TS that function below is Fastif plugin. Is of type Fastif. I could have done that. Okay, I guess I can do is Fastif. Dude, is doesn't even exist? What am I doing with myself here? Okay, let me ask AI. I have this type. And I am exporting this function, but TS giving error app doesn't have any type. How does I show that this function is of that type above? Let's see. I am assuming AI knows it, and I really hope that it does. Const my plugin is a first plugin. Okay. So plugin. Export default routes. route. Well, I guess I should have just made a variable since the beginning. My apologies for being dumb. Anyways, what the hell is event? Hmm. Hmm. I'll get to console.log that. So, okay, that's improvement. Router. Delete that. And here I'm just gonna do router.get slash sample response.send hello world underscore that. So if I will go to hello Akshit, is this your first time using TypeScript? I mean, I use TypeScript, but I mostly use it in white. So my TS configs are already there. So I usually don't do TS config.json myself. Otherwise, yeah, it's all cool. Now I need to think. I forgot what I need to do. Think. Okay, I needed to do npm run test. Actually, I should call it dev. Package.json, where is that? Rename it to dev. And I forgot the port. I am assuming it's 30 something. But it's 3400 something. Localhost 3400. And I'll need to do slash sample. And we have an error. Plugin did not start in time. I forgot to do next. Oh, 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 oh. Fix that. That was a genuine mistake, I guess. Okay, improvement. Let's see what am I fucking up right now. Yep, I knew it. So I am doing a prefix of that slash const. Okay, okay. So I guess we are doing not less so slash dot slash no. And wait a second, everybody. Alright, I'm back and I closed YouTube somehow. Let me open that again. Alright, so we are doing read directory sync and we are reading this directory called routes and we are filtering. Oh, you know what? I'll just um it just shouldn't include index and we are good because we are I'm not sure. I'm okay. So I will need to do event.default and now it probably works and it does. And I'll do this, Control L backspace. I like to do that. So we have our route handler, which actually works. Now I will like to work on the socket handler or create socket events. I'll need to think about it. How will that work? I'll let you know. Human server.io.on, and then I get an event name. What's your problem? Okay. So I have to do something. I have to copy this index.ts. I'll go here, I'll paste it there, and I'm gonna create a function called create socket events, socket listeners. And then what do I do? I guess I just want to go to index and I'm gonna control X that, go to interfaces, paste that. Can I still do fastify.io? No, I can't. No, I can't. So can I do fastify.io now? I still can't. Okay, that's super weird. That's super weird. I don't think I need to do all of that. I think it will still work. And then I don't need more, half of them. Okay. Oh, let me get my mobile nearby. Okay. So we have blah blah blah. And what's the problem with this? Come on, dude. I literally have a declaration below. Oh, I was supposed to do server.io. Okay. And what if I put the declaration in the interfaces file? I will assume that it still works. It does. Just need to get the server from socket.io because I'm using that server and that works. Awesome. So we have the TypeScript declaration for all of that. Now when I'm creating a socket listener, I will just like to get what variables. I will need to think. I will just want the server, which will be a server from socket.io, and then I just do server.on, and I'm gonna do Control X, backspace, server.on, this, comma that, and let me think. I guess that should be it, right? Yeah, that should be it. Now what do? We don't need next or whatever. So then we do create socket listener and we pass in server.io. Awesome. So that's a good base, I will say. We are able to create routes, we are able to create socket something. And I will like to check nothing is there. Then I will like to go here, fastify dot blah blah blah. Okay. So now let's actually make a file called connection.ts, and I'm gonna just export a function which takes like nothing, and then it will just console log gg. And you know what, I'll get x, and you know what, let's do export default, and x can be any. So let's see what happens. Are we going to see any gg anytime soon? Hopefully. None yet, sadly. So it is connection, right? It is connection. Okay, I will like to also remove all of that because I don't need to do all of that. I just need to do import file, paste, and let's go back here. I will also like to console dot log this, comma, this. All right, let's see. Well, that didn't work. So cannot find module sample.ts. Oh, that makes sense actually. I needed to do dot slash. I would like to apologize, humans. That was me being dumb. Why did I even do that? I guess I just wanted to not use symbols. Okay, let's see. So we do have a function for connection. But that might... Okay. Now we are in a weird problem, I think. You know what? Let me just copy that. I think the issue is I'll do server.listen later. Will that do anything? I will assume no, but let's see. It might. It probably didn't. So I will do server.io dot connection, and then I'm gonna copy paste that. I'm gonna say like listening, and it says nothing so far. Okay. So what else can we do? Put it here, then we will get an error. IO cannot read property on of undefined. See, I can run a while loop actually. While this doesn't exist. And then what I can do is I am just trying to brute force something. Just give me a bit of time, humans. It might actually work out. As soon as the .io is added. Oh wait, it will be... It's something asynchronous. My bad. Let's do it now. All right. Interesting. Okay, let's just remove all of that. So now the question is, wait, that's connection. I have not connected to the web. I am super crazy. Super crazy. Let's go to connection. Okay, let's make a t.js, right? And let me search. You know what? Not even t.js, okay? I need a WebSocket connection, right? So npm react socket io. I wonder if they have a temp socket io client. Yeah, they do. So we have a socket io client which have a documentation. That's good to know. So okay. So how do people use socket io in React? I've never done that before. How to use with React? Yeah. Oh, so we can just use that. No problem. Okay. That's good to know. Now, by the way, everybody, I just realized I never defined the base URL. So if we are in the dev mode, we will go http // local host 3400, and I like to export the HTTP base, rather HTTP, let's call it REST, and then we can have one for WS, and that's looking great. Now at the rate slash base, I must be doing that somewhere, so we can just get the, okay, we just can do that dot rest, and we can do that here as well, base dot rest, and I like to use a plus here instead, because why have that many symbols when we don't need them? All right, looks pretty good. Whew. So in my home page, I'm gonna try something. We're going to make a beautiful little connection, import that, and export. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I would like to go to the backend. So yeah, that's the backend. Fastify socket. I will like to give some options on course origin. Let's do star for the moment, and then I can do the rest later. Okay. So now what's the problem? I was declared, but its value is never read. All right, let's see. Events. So we have a use effect in which I'm doing all of this. So let's do it. We do a use effect, and we make both of that paste, and then we need a socket. So I'm just gonna do const socket is equals to, thank you AI. Oh, I never installed the package, my bad. Let's do cd frontend and install the package, and meanwhile let's do the imports. It can be any set foo events, it's an array of any. And then how are you displaying all the data? Let me just do, like, what should I do? A fragment, enter, boom, foo events, who connected is connected. Awesome. Now what's next? Well, I'm not sure. What do I do? Is it running? It isn't even running. What's wrong with me? So I need to actually give them the URL as well, right? Let's see. What the hell is this? TypeScript function type. So blah blah blah. Okay, I can just do base.ws. Then I can do O enter and Control Shift I. So it says nothing. I would like to console.log this actually. I want to see what's up here. So connected is true. Wow, we are connected. Connected, not connected. Okay. On foo event. Oh, so you know what? Do I get, let me go to backend. Whoa, look at that. We are getting everything. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's go to X. I don't know. So we have GG and then we have a socket. So it is of type socket. I guess I get it from socket. Then console.log connected to $x.id. We do have that x dot, and I have a random call. Give me a moment. All right, everybody. I was just contacted to work on some random project. I'm not sure if I will be able to, but I mean, I was asked to give them a quote and stuff. I'll do that in an hour or something. But for now, we have to set up a foo and then bar plus math dot random. Let's see. See, we have some events. Awesome. Let's go to our server. Whoa. It says bar blah blah blah. Okay. You know what? Let me just do a set interval of that comma 1000. Every second it should emit that error connection refused. What the hell? Okay, that's working. So now we have a simple server and we have a simple fastify and okay, great stuff everybody. I was able to figure out how do I do all of this random stuff. So now we have fastified or on data blah blah blah. Okay. So everybody, I think this is good enough for a base. I obviously streamed for like 2 hours and didn't even touch GitHub OAuth yet, but I'll be leaving for now. I will give them a quote. I have to also deliver another thing at like 6:30 p.m. So I'll be taking my leave. I will stream probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow as well, and hopefully set up GitHub OAuth and other things which I have listed. And I also need to do the safe word conversion. And yeah, let's looking forward to it. See you all soon. Bye bye. Thanks a lot for watching in. And now I will need to stay in some awkward silence until I stop the stream. And for some reason, as soon as I stop the stream, it stops recording as well. Why?